So we are unable to get a response. Okay, so let's try to fix this. Let's create middleware. So let's go here, middleware, and let's create a middleware that will enable CORS. Okay, so this is the first version of solving the cross origin request problem. And so we will simply have our middleware. Maybe I should just copy, but I guess not. I'll just type it. Func app application. Let's call this enable CORS. Okay, and of course, it will take a parameter of type HTTP dot handler, and of course, it will return a HTTP dot handler. And so what I'm going to do, I will just return HTTP dot handler func, which I'll create my handler func, and all it will do is to set the header. Okay, so set the access dash control dash origin or allow dash origin header. Okay, so let's see, header will set on W, so W dot header dot set. We need a key. The key will be access dash control dash allow dash origin. And for now, we want the value to be any. So any. Of course, we'll change that later on because we don't want all cross-site origin requests. Okay. And then of course we'll just call our next handler in line. So next dot serve HTTP W and R. Okay, that should do it. Let's use this middleware. So let me close this, and we will add this middleware to our routes.go file. So specifically to our router. So we want to have recovery panic. If that's okay, then we don't want to have rate limit yet. So we want to have enabling of CORS. So app dot enable CORS. Okay, and after we enable CORS, once that is successful, then we want to check for rate limit. And if that is successful, then of course we will check for authentication. Okay, so we want to put the enable CORS before the rate limit. Let's save that, and let's restart our server and our application. So let's see. Yeah, this is our server, our API. Let's restart the application. And let's go back and reissue this request and see what happens. Let's see if our middleware did its job. Alright, it did. So we have status, available, system info, environment, and so on. Let's check our dev tools. So more tools. Okay. Console, no errors. Great. Let's look at the network. Let's reload. Okay, and notice now it's not blocked. Alright, so it was sent, of course, and so notice the response has the access control allow origin to star. Okay, and of course it means that cross site origin is enabled. All right, and so of course the origin is our localhost 9000. So this works. Of course, we don't want to allow everything. So what we'll do in the next video is to look at how we can fine tune or restrict the access. Okay, so we have it working, and we'll fine tune this in the next lesson. So I'll see you then.